Hello there! Let's talk about irregular verbs today. Irregular verbs are verbs that are not regular. What does that even mean? It means that it is not as simple as just putting an ed at the end of a verb to turn it into the past tense. Are you ready to learn? Watch this video and take the short quiz at the end. Remember, for extra practice, you can look at the description box below to find links to printables, hands-on activities, and digital games. First, what is a verb? A verb describes an action or a state of being such as eat, jump, swim, or talk. Right now, I'm talking. Talk is a verb too because it describes what I'm doing. Now, when you talk about something that's already happened, you have to use the past tense of the verb. For example, if you washed this morning, you don't say, I washed this morning. It's a finished action, so you should say, I washed this morning. It's easy peasy when you want to turn a regular verb into a past tense. All you have to do is add a D or ED. Look at these words. You can just add D or ED to make them past tense. Wipe becomes wiped. Play becomes played. Help becomes helped. And cook becomes cooked. In this video, we will look at two types of irregular verbs, those that change in spelling and those that do not change in spelling at all. Here are some common irregular verbs where you have to change the spelling when using them in past tense. Yes, sometimes you can't just put a D at the end. You have to change the entire word. That is called the irregular past tense because there is nothing regular about that. Drink is not drinked. It becomes drank. Let's look at some more. Can you change these words into the past tense form? Eat, fly, drive. Eat becomes ate, fly becomes flew, and drive becomes drove. Good job. Can you guess which answer is correct? What did she do last night? She draws pictures with her sister. She drew pictures with her sister. That's right. She drew pictures with her sister is the correct answer because she drew the picture last night. You have to use the past tense. Take a look at this next sentence. See if you can replace the present tense verb with the correct past tense verb. Giovanni takes flowers to his grandma. What is the past tense of take? Good job. It should be Giovanni took flowers to his grandma. Look at this irregular verb, drink. I drink milk at school. What if you're talking about what happened yesterday? You should say, I drank milk at school yesterday. There's another type of irregular verb I want you to pay attention to. With these verbs, you don't have to change the spelling. Whether it's in present tense or past tense, you'll just use the same spelling. Here's an example. The verb shut does not change even when it is used in the past tense form. First, let's use it in the present tense form. I shut the window when it is windy. Now, let's use it in the past tense form. We shut the window last night. The verb shut doesn't change no matter what. Here are some examples of those irregular verbs. Put, cut, let, quit, cost. For many irregular verbs, spelling does not change. Shall we look at some more? Read this sentence. My sister put the dishes away earlier. What is the verb in this sentence? Put is correct. Put is an irregular verb that does not change its spelling. Let's take it up a notch and look at one more kind of irregular verb. This one's tricky because the spelling stays the same, but the pronunciation, the sound, is different. Read this sentence. I read 2 books every Monday. Now read this. I read 2 books yesterday. Which verb is in the present tense and which one's in the past tense? The first one is in present tense, so we'll say, I read 2 books every Monday. However, the second one is in past tense, so we'll say, I read 2 books yesterday. Yes, the spelling will remain the same, but if it happened in the past, you will say, I read 2 books. Good job, you guys! We looked at 2 kinds of irregular verbs today. Ones that change spelling and ones that do not change spelling when turned into past tense verbs. I'm going to give you a quick quiz before you end this video. What is the past tense of these words? See how many you can get. Feel, cut, put, eat. The past tense of feel is felt. The past tense of cut is cut. The past tense of put is put. And the past tense of eat is ate. That's right. Well done. Should we try some more? Let's see if you know the past tense of these words. Ready? Go, see, catch, read. The past tense of go is went. The past tense of see is saw. The past tense of catch is caught. And the past tense of read is read. That's right. Read and read have the same spelling, but they sound different. Good job! How many did you get? Fantastic job and well done for watching the whole video. I hope this helped you better understand about irregular verbs. For extra practice, you can look at the description box below to find links to printables, hands-on activities, and digital games. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye now!